Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to continue the problem number 4 from work examples. The fourth question tells us that suppose we represent the distance above the ground by a positive integer. Distance above the ground by a positive integer and that below the ground by a negative integer. What they are telling? See, if we represent here, think this as a ground, okay, this is a ground, okay, distance above the ground by a positive integer and distance below the ground by a negative integer we are going to represent. Then answer the following. We have to answer what they are given. Suppose we represent distance above the ground by a positive integer and distance below the ground by a negative integer. Then answer the following. An elevator descends. Elevator means lift, okay. An elevator descends means going downwards. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters per minute. What is an elevator? An elevator descends, an elevator go down into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters per minute. For 1 minute, an elevator go 5 meters. For 1 per meter, it will cover a distance of 5 meters. Okay. What will be its position after 1 hour? If for 1 minute, the elevator is going to cover the distance of 5 meters. It will going to cover 5 meters. This much they have given idea for us. This much they have given hint for us. They told to calculate what will be its position after 1 hour. Now see here, solution. See here, since the elevator is going downwards, right? So the distance covered we will take it in a negative integer. See here, an elevator descends. An elevator is going downwards, right? Going downwards. That's why we are going to take the distance covered as a negative integer. Okay. Now see here, first one. Since the elevator is going down, so the distance covered by it will be represented by negative integer. Because they are told in question that the distance above the ground by a positive integer and distance below the ground by a negative integer, right? Now in first question, an elevator going downwards, that's why we are going to write the distance covered by it will be represented by negative integer. Now so what they given? They have given change in position of the elevator, change in position of the elevator in 1 minute. For 1 minute, how much it will cover the distance? For 1 minute, it will going to cover 5 meters. Yes or no? 5 meters. Now what they asked? What will be its position after 1 hour? Position of the elevator after 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. After 60 minutes is equal to, what is that? 60 into 5. It will be, see here change in position of the elevator in 1 minute I am taking as minus 5 meter, because what we have written here. So the distance covered by it will be represented by a negative integer. Now it will become 60 into minus 5 is minus 300 meter. Okay, what we can write? Position of the elevator after 60 minutes, that is nothing but minus 300 meter. What is this minus representing here? Minus is representing that the elevator is at downside position, right? Right now, that is 300 meter below down 300 meter below down from the starting position of the elevator. From the starting position of elevator. What is a minus representing here? 300 meter below down from the starting position of the elevator. Okay. Now see the second question. If it began to descend from 15 meter above the ground. See, above the ground is here. If it is descending from 15 meter, okay, if it is starting from here, 15 meter above the ground, okay, 15 meter above the ground means this is above the ground. If it is descending from 15 meter, above the ground, okay, what they ask? What will be its position after 45 minutes? If it began to descend from 15 meter above the ground, what will be its position after 45 minutes? Okay, they have asked. So we will calculate it now. If it began to descend from 15 meter above the ground, what will be its position after 45 minutes? Now see here, change in position of the elevator, elevator in 45 minutes. Change in position of the elevator in 45 minutes is equal to, what is that? Minus 5 into 45. It will be minus 225 meter. That is below the ground. Okay, now see here. Therefore, final position. What is the final position of the elevator? What is if it descends from 15 meter above the ground, if it starts from here, what will be its position after 45 minutes? Therefore, final position of the elevator. The final position of the elevator is equal to minus 225 plus 50. It will be minus 210 meter. What we can tell that? That is 210 meter below the ground. That is 210 meter below the, here minus will represent the elevator is below the ground. That is 210 meter below the ground. This is the final position of the elevator. Okay, we will see now the next questions. Now we will solve exercise 1.3. Okay. Whatever we have learned the properties of multiplication of integers, we are going to apply that on exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3 is based on that only. Whatever we have learned the property, it is based on that only. Now here, find each of the following products. Say I only took here few problems. Okay. Find each of the following products. A1 3 into minus 1. Solution. A 3 into minus 1. You know that positive integer multiplied a negative integer will give a negative integer. How we are going to multiply? We multiply first, we multiply them as a whole number. Okay, 3 ones are 3. Positive integer multiplied by negative integer will be negative integer. Next, see once here, minus 21 into minus of 30. Say multiply, what is 21 30s are? It is 60. 630. When two negative integers are multiplied, we get a positive integer. Yes or no? Next, E1 minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. See, anything multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. You have to remember here, anything multiplied by 0, the whole answer will be a 0 only. You have to remember this. Anything multiplied by 0, the answer is 0 only. Next, G1 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Okay. So, this is equal to, see 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. 9 into, when two negative integers are multiplied, the answer will be in a positive integer. 6 3s are 18. Okay. What is 18 9s are? 18 9s are is 162. Next, I1 we will see minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 into 4. So, this can be written as minus 1 into minus 2. I am grouping it, minus 3 into 4. When two negative integers are multiplied, the answer will be in a positive integer. 2 ones are 2 multiplied by. When a negative integer and positive integer are multiplied, the answer will be in a negative integer. 4 3s are 12. When positive integer and negative integers are multiplied, the answer will be in a negative integer. 12 2s are 24. The answer is minus 24. So, we will see now the next second main. Second main we will solve. Verify the following. A1 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by minus. See students, solution. Verify the following means we have to show here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. First we will take the left hand side. 18 into 18 multiplied by 7 plus of minus 3. So this is equal to 18. First we will remove the bracket multiplied by 7. Plus minus is minus. Plus minus is minus. It is 3. Okay. 18 multiplied by, here nothing is there, means plus sign will be there. Plus minus is, I told in addition and subtraction whatever we will spell, that operation we have to perform. Okay, first point. Second point, how we have to keep the sign means which is the bigger number. We have to see which is the bigger number, that sign we have to keep in addition and subtraction. See, plus minus is minus. 7 minus 3 is 4. Which is the bigger number? 7. 7 has plus sign. Yes. Now, what is 18 forza? 18 forza is 72. Okay. Next, LHS part we got 72. Next, RHS part we will consider 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Now, see here students, we will remove the bracket first. Okay. What is 18 sevens? 18 sevens is 126. Here plus, okay. We will remove this bracket. Positive integer multiplied by negative integer, the answer will be in a negative integer. 18 threes is 54. 126 minus 54. What is 126 minus 54? It will be 72. So, what we can tell, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes or no? LHS is equal to RHS. What we can write? So, 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 multiplied by 7 plus 18 multiplied by minus 3. Hence proved. So next one, third main we will see. First one, in third main, first one. For any integer a, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? They have asked for any integer a. You can take any integer. If you multiply it by minus 1, what the answer will be? Now see, if I take one integer as 2, any integer you take, you multiply with minus 1, what the answer will be here? Minus 2. If you take in place of a in integer, if you take any integer as a, say minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. In the same way, what is minus 1 into a? It will be minus a. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a will equal to? Solution. The answer is minus 1 into a is minus a. Okay. Now second main you see, determine the integer, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is, first one they given minus 22, B 37, C 0. Now see here solution. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. We have to multiply minus 22 into minus 1. What is the answer? 37 into minus 1. What is the answer? 0 into minus 1. Now see here, first one, minus 22 into minus 1. What is the answer? When two negative integers are multiplied, we get a positive integer, right? Now what is that? 22 ones are 22. In the same way we have to do B1 and C1. What is B1? That is 37 into -1. When positive integer and negative integers are multiplied, we get a negative integers. That is 37 ones is 37. So C1, 0 into -1. You know that anything multiplied by 0, the answer will be a 0 only. Say fourth means here, starting from -1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show -1 into -1 is equal to 1. Starting from -1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show. What we have to do? We have to use this, okay, -1 into 5. Starting from here, we have to go on continuing, okay, go on continuing the pattern. We want this answer, we want this result. Now see here, -1 into 5 is, it is -5. Now -1 into 4 is, what is -1 into 4? Definitely it is -4. That is nothing but -5 plus 1. If I do -5 plus 1, definitely I will get a -4. Next, -1 into 3 is -3. How will get this? -4 plus 1. Right? Next, -1 into 2. That is nothing but -2. -3 plus 1. Now see, -1 into 1, that will be -1 is equal to -2 plus 1. Next, -1 into 0. Now see, -1 plus 1, if I do it, we will going to get 0. -1 into -1. Take this 0, add plus 1 here, I am getting the answer 1. Yes? Now see, what we want, -1 into -1 is plus 1. We got the result now. This is only starting from -1 into 5. We have to show this result. Okay? Now we will see the fifth main of the exercise 1.3. We will see the fifth main. See, fifth main they are given. Find the product using suitable properties. We have to use here suitable properties. Okay? By using suitable properties, we have to find the product. See, if they are given using suitable property, means you have to use your properties. If they given only find the product, means you can do it directly, no problem. But they have mentioned here using suitable properties. We will see in fifth main few questions. First one 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus of minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. C1 15 multiplied by minus 25 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 10. E1 625 multiplied by minus 35 multiplied by minus 625 multiplied by 65. So G1 minus 17 multiplied by minus 29. So we will see the fifth problem. We have to use here properties. Okay. Now see here A1 solution A1, that is 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Now see here A into B, okay, plus A into C is nothing but A into B plus C. Yes or no? A into B plus C. This is nothing but distributivity property. Distributivity property. Yes. Now see here. Now A into B, A into C. Here minus 48, minus 48. Here these are same. Okay. It is nothing but A and A. Here B is 26 and C is minus 36. What is the result? A into in bracket B plus C. Whatever here common is there, we are taking A into the remaining things we are writing. This is nothing but the distributivity property. What is that? See here, minus 48 multiplied by 26 plus minus of 36. Okay, using distributivity property we have written this. Using distributivity property, that is, what is that? That is A bracket of, that is A into B plus A into C is nothing but A into B plus C. We have used this property. Okay. Now see, afterwards, now we will simplify this. Minus 48, we will remove the bracket. Okay. 26 plus minus is minus 36. It will be minus 48 multiplied by plus minus is minus 36 minus 26 is 10. Bigger number is 36. 36 has minus sign. Okay. Now what is 48 tens are? 48 tens are is 480. When two negative integers are multiplied, we will get a positive integer. Okay. By using distributivity property, we have solved the first problem. Now we will check for second one. First thing is that you have to see carefully, you have to observe the problem carefully, means you will understand which property we have to use here. Now see here 15 multiplied by minus 25 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 10 is there, right? Now see here C1 15 multiplied by minus 25 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 10. Now see here, to make our easier calculation, what we will do, 15 into, we will group the terms, minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Now see here, 15 multiplied by 25 fossa is 100. Okay, when two negative integers are multiplied, we get a positive integer into minus 10. Now 15 into 100 is 1500 multiplied by minus 10. 1500 into 10 is, it will be a 15,000. When positive integer and negative integer multiplied, we will get a negative integer. This is nothing but the C1. Which property we have used here? You may ask me. The thing is that we have grouped here. Then we have grouped the terms. Yes or no? We have grouped the terms here. Next we will see E1. E 625 multiplied by minus 35, but it is okay, multiplied by minus 625 multiplied by 65. So this is the E1. What is that? Okay, it should be plus here. Okay, the question I have written, it should be plus. Now see here student, by seeing this problem, what you are going to feel? Here 625 is there, here also 625 is there. Definitely by seeing this we can tell here, we can use here distributivity property. See here, 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Okay, now see here, this can be written as 625 into minus 35 plus 625 into minus 65. Because when a negative integer and positive integers are multiplied, we get a negative integer only. Okay, when a positive integer and negative integer multiply, we get a negative integer only. Yes. Now 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus of minus 65. Which property we are using here? Using distributivity property, that is A into B plus A into C is nothing but A multiplied by B plus C. Yes. Now see, 625 multiplied by minus 35 minus 65. It will be 625 multiplied by 100, right? Okay, the answer will be 62,500. When a positive integer and negative integer multiplied, we will get a negative integer. Which property we have used here? We have used here distributivity property. See, by using this property, the answer will come in a very easier manner. Yes. Now we will see G1. Now see, student, G1 minus 17 into minus 29. So this can be written as minus 17 multiplied by minus 29. This is nothing but minus 17 multiplied by, see students, minus 29 can be written as minus 30 plus 1. Is there any wrong here? No. Minus plus is minus. 30 minus 1 is 29. Bigger number is 30. 30 as minus sign, right? That will become minus 17 multiplied by, okay. Now see students, which property we can use here? We can use here distributivity property. See here, minus 17 multiplied by minus 30, okay, plus minus 17 multiplied by 1. So it will be 17 into 30 is 510. When two negative integers are multiplied, we will get a positive integer, right? Plus minus 70. Now we will simplify this. 510 plus minus is minus 17. So what is 510 minus 17? See here, 510 minus 17. 10 minus 7 is 3, right? It will become 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 4. That is answer is 493. Okay. We can easily calculate in this way. Okay. The next problems are there. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.